Hey guys, it's Rex, the Rexwurx. Today we're doing a review on a few items that was sent to me from Arccaptain. Arccaptain is a channel sponsor, and periodically they send me items to review and test out and use on the channel. And I've got a few welding projects coming up, so I reached out to Arccaptain and asked them if they would send me a little bit of protective gear while I'm welding. So let's see what Arccaptain sent us. Stick around. Alright guys, so one of the first things that I was interested in when I reached out to Arccaptain about some protective gear was the beanie, the welding hood beanie. When I weld, I keep my hair cut really short, and when I weld I get a lot of, especially when I'm welding like under a trailer or anything like that where I'm laying down, I get a lot of the Johnny beads, and they go down and they burn the tar out of my head. So I've been wanting to get one of these for a while, but I didn't want just like a bandana style. I wanted something a little bit heavier that would actually protect me. So when I found these on their website, I asked, and they looked heavy duty, and they really are. They feel pretty comfortable. I've never worn a beanie. I'm not a welder by trade. I just do a little bit of everything, but I'm hoping that this will protect my head from any of the splatter or Johnny beads burning my scalp. And it's got like a neck flap. Some people wear it in the front, some people wear it in the back. I'll probably wear it in the back to keep the stuff from running down the back of my neck. You can put your hood directly over it, so your hood will easily grip hold of this thing and stay in place. I got mine a little bit tight because I wanted it to stay a little bit tighter than normal. I want to be able to keep it in place. So seems like a heavy duty. It does feel hot, but welding's going to be hot anyway, especially if you want to stay protected. So I'm going to put links to all of these items that I'm showing you in the description, where you can check them out for yourself if you want to purchase one. So the next thing I got is a set of 16-inch welding gloves. I don't use welding gloves very often. I tend to wear more of a rubber style glove, like a cut-proof glove most of the time. It gives me a little bit more finger dexterity, but they get hot really, really quick. And I've got a couple pretty big welding projects coming up, and I knew I wanted something that would protect me a little bit better and shield me a little bit better from stuff rolling down my sleeve. And these feel really good for what they are. I don't tend to like leather gloves, but they are really pretty comfortable. So these are the 16-inch welding gloves. They're heat resistant, and they're not just for welding. They're for barbecue grills. If you're putting logs on fires, you can use them for a lot of different things, and they'll protect you up your sleeve, up your forearm, and they're actually pretty cool looking. The black and red is really cool. And guys, you are going to see all of these items used on my other channel. I'm going to be doing a project here probably later today, where I'll be doing some welding on my utility trailer. So I'll probably be using every one of these items to protect myself while I'm welding on that utility trailer. The last item I got is a long sleeve fire resistant welding shirt. Every one of my shirts have, because I wear t-shirts most of the time, every one of my shirts have holes in them from welding, grinding, all of that stuff. So I'm hoping, I haven't used one yet, I'm hoping that this will protect me better than my t-shirt. It won't melt through, it won't burn through as easily. This has long sleeves, knitted cuffs, which they feel really, really good. It's a button up. It's got, I think, 3 buttons. It's got 3 buttons to button up to be able to get over your head. It's got a pocket. Then it's got pin pockets, or a marker pocket. Some people use the marking chalk. Then it's got I don't know if that's for lapel or what it is. I'm not really sure what the little hoops are on the right sleeve, but it doesn't feel overly heavy, so it's going to be lighter than, like, say, like a flannel type shirt, but it's still heavy enough, hopefully, that it'll protect me. This is the Arccaptain FR2112 fire resistant long sleeve shirt. Got a pretty cool patch on it. It also has a little pocket on the left sleeve, and it's got a cool little patch on it. So guys, if you're interested in any of this protective gear for welding, I'll put links to all of these in the description. I'll also link in the description some past items that I've reviewed. This is an awesome cordless grinder. Comes with two 20-volt batteries, charger, carrying case, the handle. Also, the Arccaptain MiG 145 flux core machine. It does flux core MiG, lift TIG, and DC stick. Also, their auto darkening Arccaptain welding helmet. You can weld, you can grind, you can adjust your delay settings and your brightness and dark shaded settings. Really nice hood, a lot of adjustment in that headband. Guys, this has been Rex with Rexwurx. I appreciate you watching, and if you're interested in any of these products, I'll put links to the website in the description, along with a 5% discount code on anything you purchase through that link. Thanks for watching.